While the COVID-19 pandemic has killed thousands in America, it's also the source of less obvious damage that will affect this nation for decades to come. Many of our major institutions of government and media have beclowned themselves, and in doing so, frittered away their remaining vestiges of authority and credibility. And that's a very bad thing for all of us. For instance, Dr. Anthony Fauci, the government's face of the pandemic response, told the New York Times, quote, "When polls said only about half of all Americans would take a vaccine, I was saying herd immunity would take 70 to 75%. Then, when newer surveys said 60% or more would take it, I thought, I can nudge this up a bit. So I went to 80 and 85. End quote. In other words, the nation's senior public health official admits fudging the numbers to get the result he wanted. You know, the straightforward way to describe that is, he lied to us. And in September, Rolling Stone magazine reported a drastic shortage of hospital beds in Oklahoma because they were filled with people who had overdosed on ivermectin, which, despite the medical experts at Rolling Stone, is a safe and powerful antiviral drug in use worldwide for some 4 decades. The story ran worldwide as elites scoffed at those rubes out in the sticks, misusing horse medicine and clogging hospitals. The only problem with the story? That it was entirely fabricated. The one doctor cited for all the claims was refuted by his own employer, which said they had not treated a single ivermectin overdose in their entire statewide hospital system. But as the saying goes, a lie goes halfway around the world before the truth can get its boots on. Friends, we are living in a pandemic of lies. But as Christians, we cannot allow ourselves to become cynical. Skeptical of agendas, yes, but not cynical. Instead, convinced that the truth is attainable, we have a duty to find it and to walk in it. The world's game of altering and denying truth in the pursuit of power and advantage is not open to us. Above all people, we must be those who love and obey truth. As the Scripture says, "Therefore, having put away falsehood, let each of you speak the truth with his neighbor, for we are members one of another."